What up, guys? Back here for another one. Yes, y'all probably gonna be wondering, yes, this is a new truck, but it will not be used mostly for pulling. This is my drive around truck when days I don't feel good or days that I need to be by myself on here. So yeah. But I got a call. My buddy said that my vehicle had been sabotaged. I don't know what he means. And he said, come look at it and bring a trailer. So that's what we're doing right now. Okay, we're back here. Yeah, I said they get sabotaged. There's bullet holes, and it was gray, not this color. And yeah, and it had a bigger tire. So alright, let's get this done. I'll catch y'all guys when we get back at the shop. Alright, y'all, we're just now making it back to the shop. For y'all that know this is my shop. And yeah, I was getting the new motor put in and got finally done. I got a text, and why does it gotta be mine? This is like a $50,000 truck, or Bronco truck, whatever you wanna call it, and caught on fire, man. Well, I guess I get to y'all in the shop. Okay, we're back here in the shop. I diagnosed the damage. Someone like drive by and shot it 3 times, and I guess some electrical problem caught it on fire and burnt everything down. And yeah, I guess we will be rebuilding this. First thing first, redo the hood. Take the hood off. Redo the paint. I'll get back to y'all when I'm done. Okay, right now I went ahead and put another hood on it. I had to replace the box back here because the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, wrong one. Okay. I'm gonna do that one. And right now it doesn't got a motor setting in it. Let me just do that one. Because it doesn't have a cab. So yeah. I'm gonna get the cab rebuilt for y'all. And the cab comes a different color. I will be repainting it. And yes, like I said, it does not got a motor in it right now. And it probably won't have one in a couple days. So yeah. Do that. And yeah. This is it from right now. I got some new tires put on it. Some ones I had left in the garage. So yeah. And put a hood on it. And yeah. So I was gonna do this, move the storage. hate this. And run y'all through my stuff. I'm watching the video while I do this. Alright, this is one of my motorcycles I am working on right now. I had to get some stuff done for it. Then I'm trying to make a biker club, the Lost MC, Lost Motorcycle Club. The 4-wheeler. My other motorcycle, the supernatural truck that I drove around. I just drive around days I don't feel good or days I don't want to do nothing, just drive around. Then the truck off of Upchurch's video Isis, I fell in love with that truck, so I made it on here. Then Old Bluty, as y'all know. Then Whistling Diesel's truck, as y'all know. The Jeep from real life. Then the Fire Beast towing truck. The Christmas present truck. And the General Outlaws. Then this is truck based off real life that I haven't seen in a long time, but I just fell in love with this truck. Excuse me. Yeah. Blue Dodge, whatnot. Then my Silverado sheriff truck. My supervisor Tahoe. Then the Phil Green Go truck. I don't even the Freedom Friday truck. The Sheriff Hummer. One of my buddy's truck that is mostly totaled right now. But Snowflake. The Freedom Friday 3-wheeler. The livery what is it? Can-Am. The supervisor sheriff truck. The monster truck, aka RC truck. The Lost MC truck. The 4-wheeler, yes, I put some new rims on it because it was just ugly. And the hunting rig. Got that. Got the deer over there. Built, not bought. Then the fish. And yes, this is the hunting rig. Then the work truck. I put some stickers on there. Toolbox and stuff. Trailer. And the total truck right now. And yeah. This is supposed to be my drag truck, aka Danny the Savage truck. And I don't know why, but hey. But yeah, I hope y'all guys like this video. Catch y'all guys on the next one. Peace.